Hello everyone, Sejr here. Thank you so much for joining me for an unboxing of a Crafty Stamp Co. July card kit subscription. They do a subscription every month for card kits, but you don't necessarily have to do the subscription. I'll get into more details there. So let's open this up. I've already opened it up, but let's pretend I didn't, and we're going to see what's inside of it. How this works is that in June of 1st and 14th, sorry, I'm looking at my notes here. June 1st and 14th will be like the preview window. So you're going to see people creating from this kit, and they're going to kind of show you what's around, give you inspiration, but that's your window for pre-ordering. So we do the preview during that time, and then on June 15th, that would be the last day you can order this. Then on July 5th, all the kits that were pre-ordered will be shipped out. So that's how the process goes. And so I will show you what's in this kit. If you're interested, just remember June 1st to 14th, you have, if you would like to pre-order it. Now, if you want to subscribe, you get 35% off the card kit, which would be about $45.99 American. And if you don't subscribe, but you just do the 1 month, then you get 15% off the retail price, which will be $54.99. So things to consider. But I'm going to move this aside so that I can show you everything that's in this kit. Now the exciting part. So the first thing you have is the Hey There's package is happy to see you too. And what I like is there's this little QR code here for inspiration. So it's going to be filled with videos for July 2025. So if you were to get this kit, you would have all the videos for inspiration on what you can create, as well as it's letting you know that you do get 10% off your next non-subscription order. Okay, so the first thing we have is the sequence. Hold on. It looks like, I haven't looked at all this stuff in here, so I'm going to guess. It looks like cookies and fire, marshmallows maybe. So I'm thinking maybe it's going to be a camp theme. Very fun. I like the little flames. It's cute. And this is such a, oh wow, look at this sprinkle. So we have a nice little, actually it's a fantastic embellishment mix. So we'll put that there. Let's put a lid on this so that we don't make a mess. But it looks like you got some sequins, and I just noticed that there's like these little, hard to see here, little dots there. That's cute. Nice. They'll rattle nicely. Okay, now the stamp set. The first one we have is Campsite Critters. And I don't know if we can see this. I might have to take this out just so you can see it better. That's better. Look at these little critters. You have the raccoon fishing, the hedgehog with the hot dog. Oh, look at the bunny with the marshmallows. There's the fox with the marshmallows, reindeer, or just a deer, and a bear in the tent. We have sentiments, s'more camping means s'more fun. We have a little sign that says camping this way, and a nice big sentiment. This could go inside your card as well. We have what happens around the campfire gets laughed at all year. Gets laughed at all year. What if this is really cute? And these look like they're going to be very simple to color. Yeah, you can make a nice little scene here. So that's the first stamp set. The second stamp set is called Crafty Meadow. Now this is a different style. So one thing about these kits that I've noticed is that they always have two styles. We have the very simple, clean designs, and then we have the more anime human styles. And these are actually fantastic if you want to learn how to color hair and make things more realistic. I absolutely love these characters. I don't usually use them, but when I have them on hand, they are actually quite pleasant to play with. And I'll probably make a card with this one just to showcase how I color it. And once again, there's so much inspiration, but you can see it's another camping inspired stamp set with this beautiful girl with the cargo shorts, the boots are for hiking. You have marshmallows, the backpack, the lantern, and all the accessories you need for camping. Then we have some sentiments. Let's wander where the Wi-Fi won't go. I love you s'more. Stars make the best night lights. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't mix and match. Having 2 stamp sets in one card kit, definitely mixing and matching would work quite well. So those are the 2 stamp sets that you get in this kit. If you are a camper, you know someone who loves to camp, fantastic. I'm really liking this. Next, we have the Night Sky Stencil. So this actually goes well with the sentiment right there, with stars make the best night lights. This is a really, really cute stencil. I love the stars there. They're not just your typical straight lined stars. Like, they actually have a little bit of whimsical character to them. They're very dreamy. They're very cartoony. They're just very nice. And then you have the little circles in between. If you have small little blending brushes, you can get into each one of these separately if you wanted the circles and the stars to be different. Very, very, very cute. And then the last thing that's in this card kit is the pattern paper. I love that it comes with these little envelopes here that just hold the paper for you. It's kind of cute. I don't really get that because usually these tear or I throw them out. So this paper is called Going Camping. And this is looking interesting just by looking at the styles in the front here. So we'll go through this really quickly. Is it double-sided? It is double-sided. So you have some nice scenes here with the green plaid. So it looks like there are 4 of each sheet. Here's some nice night scenes with some evergreens and then the green polka dotted trees. Polka dotted background. Another scene with a blue wave. Red plaid and a very, very busy background. With all the little elements of camping. It looks like it matches this stamp set. Oops. Backpacks. And, oh, that's pretty. I love the green on this one. And really, you could fussy cut some of these out if you're looking for just a bit of embellishments to add to a card. That doesn't look like it'd be too hard. And then we have another one with some campfire with roasting a hot dog, coffee, and on the other side you have the arrow in yellow. So those are the pattern papers. So there you go. This is the card kit. Oops, no, it goes here. This is the card kit for July. So like I mentioned, you will get all of this and the mesh bag as well. And this is for July, pre-ordering June 1st to the 14th. The 15th is the deadline. I don't know if that means you cannot get on the 15th, but the best I would recommend the 1st and the 14th of June. Then card kits will be shipped out July 5th. And then after July 15th, this will not be available again. They may bring out anything that's popular back within 6 months to a year, not guaranteed. And if you like this and you like to help this small company, they would greatly appreciate the support and you get some fantastic products. So I will be creating some cards with this shortly, so keep an eye out. And don't forget, you're more than welcome to subscribe and like this video. You can always leave a comment below if there's anything in this card kit that you like. What's your opinions on what you've seen? So until the next time, have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.